here, this probably isn't well known. Sandy once said to me, I should have been put in prison for what I taught for the first almost 10 years of my career, because I didn't know I was teaching what I was taught, and I knew it was wrong. I knew there were things about the method that were not, that made you even more in your head, made you more introverted than ever. I knew it, I could feel it, and I could see it, but I didn't know what else. There was no acting teacher. The profession acting teacher, if you had to fill out your taxes in the 30s in the United States, no one wrote acting teacher because there was no teachers. There was no craft. There was no craft. There were directors, but there was no way. And that was what's so revolutionary about what Konstantin Stanislavski did and brought to this country, and why people glommed onto it. There was finally a way to possibly not just have the stars line up to have a good performance go off, that there was possibly a way, but then it became like an obsession and a religion, and then misinterpreted. And then, of course, there's plenty of healthy interpretations. It's not about that. I'm not bagging on the method at all. To thine own self be true. If it works for you, beautiful. But I'm telling you, Sandy's relationship with this, and that is, he knew there were inherent problems. Of course, there's the obvious. He was violently opposed to emotional memory. He wants the opposite for his actors. If it works for you, go ahead, he would say. But personally, I don't want you to have to go relive your past over and over again. I want you to heal that stuff so that you're not constantly limited by it. He wanted us, the tortured artist paradigm, Sandy was violently against. He said you don't need a screwed up life to be an actor. And in fact, the more screwed up it is, the worse chance you have of sticking around. And boy, is that true. He wanted us healthy. And instead of a screwed up childhood or these tormented wounds, etc., he wanted us not only to heal those, he wanted us to develop the most important thing,